another smart home video. Today I'll be showing you how to put in the water filter for this Samsung smart fridge. So you got the water filter, you gotta buy it. You know, it has like this manual and these stickers. Look at this. No. So you basically put the stickers here on the day, let's just say February, and just pull this tag, change it on February. Okay, it's a little bad, but that's okay. Then you also go put you go close the water. You know, it has like a water source somewhere in like these cabins or something. So it's normally at the bottom. Like this. Then when you open the fridge in here, you see this bit. So it's unlocked. If you twist it left, it will go until unlock. Then you can pull it out and then just stick the other one in. But you also go open the cap and you go like so. Yeah, so you like just turn it. After you change video, so you gotta open the water, then you can try out if it works. So first you should have like 3 cups, and don't use your main one, just test it out. It could be sometimes unstable. You just get some, and then you just put in the water, and then you just get them more until it's stable like that, just normal. I go again. And one more time. And this should be a key one. Yeah, good to drink. Bump. Clear water. Also, why you have to do this is to clear the filter. It could be dirty, and you don't want to drink straight dirty water for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this one down.